All right, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So I just want to give you an update and ask some question, of course. I saw a post of Joseph Okechukwu and people from Middle Belt, as they met with some congressmen and they took picture, they took photos. Remo is the man that's the congressman I'm talking about. So it's not as if they met somebody, maybe random person, somebody that people don't know much. No, the congressman they met happened to be the one of the engine, Remo. They met him, they hold hand and took picture. Then I asked a question to myself: who are their lobby? Who is the lobby of these guys that met Remo without so easy? Because that's have been the job of Ogen Nkere. All this while, as I am, we are the one going to Washington. Oh, where is Ngozi going to Washington? Oh, nobody's going to Washington. We are the one in charge of Washington. Elias has made it possible for us to knock at the doors of congressmen and they open the door. We keep on having meeting. The same thing happened, before. If there's anything meaningful now that comes out from this meeting these guys are having with Congress, this is more or anything. If there's any changes or any, let's say, any update or anything at all, okay, Nkere and their group will jump out and tell you that they have done it so fast. They have done it again, that they are the one that made it possible. Glory snatchers. Now, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel. I just want to drop this one on here on my second channel because we need to understand that everything that some of us are doing today, some of us, not all, okay, appear to be because of their own interest. I said, all these people, are they Biafrans? Yes. Are they Igbo people? Yes. But what they're doing, does it make any sense? No. Is it making any effort? No. Now, let's go because they have a kind of details about why they met. I have not read this. I'm going to read it now together with you. So let's go there because I want us to maybe we can learn something from that. Here is a write-up from this person called Stephen Osemegewe. I think he's from I don't know his part where he come from in Nigeria, but I believe I know him. When before the designation of Nigeria as a cultural particular concern, these guys had a series of press conference, meeting with men, meeting with congressmen, and all that. The moment they released that designation, Elias jump out and begin to claim what he has done. Briggy is paving way, making way in the Washington. I will say ask this question again. So whenever I ask it, don't feel bored. I want it to be asked, and I want it also to be answered. So fallback group and Mamadabo group, all of you have to answer this question. It'll be very, very important. Save Nigerian group, USA said, I think this Nigerian group in US advanced legislative action with Congressman Remo in US capital, Washington, D.C. It was a profound honor to meet again, they have met before, with US Congressman Remo at his office today. As a key member of the House Appropriation Committee and President Trump's designated lead on the congressional investigation into Nigeria religious freedom and violation, Congressman Moore remained a steadfast ally in addressing the targeted violence amounting to genocide against Nigerian Christians. The Save Nigerian group, that USA leadership, engaged in a strategic dialogue with the congressman to expedite the passage of Human Rights 7457, that HR, a critical piece with the congressmen to expedite the passage. Okay, a critical piece of legislation he co-sponsored. Our mission remained clear: to work alongside his office to ensure that all sponsors of the radical Islamist terrorism in Nigeria face stringent US and global sanction, effectively cutting off the livelihood of this terror network. We extend our deepest gratitude to Congressman Moore for his responsiveness and commitment. This meeting marks a vital step forward as we prepare for our mega rally on June 20th, our Faith Heroes Awards, our Faith Hero Award Gala in Washington, DC. At this high level event, we will honor those who have stood fearlessly with people of faith, including the special tribute to President Donald Trump for his leadership on this issue. A special thanks to our PR director, ministers, who is the person that we know. Okay, okay. I think the member of that Save Nigerian group. Okay, he said a special thanks. Okay, special thanks to our PR director, Washington DC director Ozo Wanko Esquire for the leadership. Take action. Takes action. Visit the website. Okay, this is the website to learn how you can support our mission to end the genocide and save Nigeria. So these are different people from different tribe, I believe, because I can say names here. But look at it here. The reason why I'm sharing this is because of this handshake that Nkere have been using to deceive many people. Oh, look at it. You know, when some people in America say that meeting congressmen is not a big deal, anybody can meet him. It is not something special. But these guys are paying Elias to open the door of this congressman for them to have a picture. And people are meeting congressmen. Okay, you may say, this is a group. Good. Okay. No, don't worry, I'm coming. Look at the picture here. Okay, I believe this is the lady that he talks about, and this is Ramon, as you know him. All right. Now, it did not end here. No, it did not end here. So when we come down here, we also have another person, Joseph Okechukwu. I don't know if Joseph Okechukwu is a member of the U.S. Save Nigerian U.S. I doubt, but let's read his own write-up. I have not read anything. I'm just reading it for the first time, please. Okay, so that it's not be as if kind report you are just pretending. No, this is my first time of reading the write-up. I just saw the picture. I said, okay, let me share this with our people, because having handshake like this, as you can see here, this is Joseph Okechukwu, our own brother. Okay, having handshake with Ramon, Joseph Tokologo, and a tall guy. Talk about this man. Anyway, so having handshake with him, the same thing as I have been doing. Elias was using his camera to capture it for more fundraising. Anyway, let's go. Someone told me yesterday that Congressman Ramon is so busy that if you manage to see him at all, 5 minutes would be too ambitious, and he was right. Well, I just had more than 30 minutes long. Incredible engagement and hope inspiring conversation with Congressman Moore, and team. Believe me when I tell you that Remo is a true champion and warrior for Christ. No amount of social media posts or media appearances can truly explain how deeply immense and committed this man is to end the Christian genocide nightmare in Nigeria. His passion is overwhelmingly pure and palpable. Like I said in my previous post from yesterday, never have never have I been more hopefully and reassured about where things are heading, where things are headed in Nigeria with respect to end this insanity in the country. We are in a very safe hands, guys. Experts said we are very safe. We are very safe. We are very safe hands. We are in a very safe hand, guys. Okay, expect short videos from this engagement soon. Okay, with an overwhelmingly bipartisan support for this proposed action in Nigeria. Anyone testing Donald Trump resolve to completely end this ongoing genocide is doing so at their own peril. That is all I can say for now. Beyond blessed to have this U.S. administration in power. To God be the glory. So, Joseph also, shared his own encounter with this congressman, um, Ramon. Now, what do you learn from this? When some people gather together and begin to tell you how they are the one that know the road to have congressmen on their side, all this right, today, Joseph Okechukwu have done it individually. Then other group of Nigerian group called Save Nigerian Group. This is my first time of hearing the group. I'm not gonna lie. They're also doing their own. They've met the same man, and look, to tell you they did not meet him in the same day. Let's pay close attention to the dressing of Remo. Okay, let's see. Mark this when Joseph Okechukwu met him with these styles, with this dressing, and when you come here, let's see what this will have here. You can see the tie he put on here is red. So don't tell me that this is a group, the same group, the same people. No. You can see the clothes are totally different from Raymond, right? Okay. Meaning that Joseph Okechukwu met him individually without a lobby. Okay, without having his own lobby. Then here, another group met him without also paying lobby $10,000 a month or $50,000 a month. Apart from showing you Nkere standing close to the American flag and holding one congressman's hand, please mention on the comment section what's the outcome of his visit. It's a challenge. Just mention one. Okay, and remember, if you copy anybody's achievement and label it on him, I know all those things. So don't play here, please. I know what I'm saying. Okay, and I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. Let me know what you think about all discussed so far. Do you agree or disagree? Listen, I am not your enemy. Fallback group, I'm not your enemy. I am not the one that say you should give people high hope that you are doing this and do that. But unfortunately, we also on social media we can. I don't want to say research. We can see what is on social media. Let's just keep it calm and humble, because I don't want to say I research, so maybe you will think that I'm actually digging more about you. But your activities and your body language contradict everything you are trying to put out there that you are representing and what you actually stand on. You don't represent what you claim that you are representing. You don't actually, back up your claim. That's a very big, slap on our face. So make sure each time you want to talk or whenever you want to present something, can you try your best and be realistic? Okay, just be realistic, because it's not going to end well. This pattern you guys are using, trying to cover everything, pretend that you are this and that. Look at it this way: Joseph Okechukwu is a black man. an Igbo man, if he can have access to Remo without hiring a lobby, then what is job of what mention, just tell me what Elias have been doing. I'm just saying, and I want you to educate me on this on the comment section. If you are lazy to write, okay, maybe put in the comments. You can as well maybe request, that we shall have a conversation one-on-one. I don't mind to host you, so you can come and explain everybody the achievement of FOBAC. And this for the executive and non-executive of Ogen, Nkere, the Community of Friends government. Please, if you can do that, I will be the happiest person. So please do me a favor and provide that. God bless you and take care of yourself. Make sure you like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. I want to know your take. What do you think? What is your take? What do you think about all we discussed so far? God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.